Hi, I am Sarwar and today I am going to show you how to add Wechat button on your website. To add a Wechat button on your website, I am using Bit Assist plugin. So go to WordPress dashboard and as you can see, I have already installed the Bit Assist plugin to add Wechat button on my website. So click on Bit Assist Pro, add widget, give here a widget name, click on create button, click on three dots and edit it, add channel, widget, give here a widget user ID. I give save it. Now go to your WordPress page and refresh the page. Here you can see the Beat Assist logo are here to the bottom corner of the windows. So click on it and click on widget and open widget. Here you can give a message anybody. So in this way you can add your widget button on your website. So thanks for watching this video.